I want to show you how easy it is to connect an AI agent like Claude or ChatGPT to your FullCap business profile. So let's jump in to Claude, and you're going to click on the lower left-hand corner and then click on Settings, and then scroll down on the left here to Connectors. In Connectors, this is where you can add in an MCP connector. So click Add, and then add a custom connector. And this is where you're going to come in and you can name it FullCap, and then you're going to type in https://api.fullcap.ai/mcp. And then all you're going to do is you're going to click Add. Now it's going to try and connect, but there's going to be a server error because you're not authenticated yet. So go ahead and click Connect, and it's going to jump you into FullCap, and it's going to ask for permissions. So right here, it's going to choose what business you want, and then what level of access do you want. And this will depend based on your personal access to the businesses that you choose. So I'm just going to do business access and then read only, and this will give me access to all of the locations under my business. So I'll scroll down and I'll click allow, I'll connect it, and then I can jump back and open up Claude. So now this is fully connected, and you can see all the tools that are available, which ones require permissions and which ones I can just directly query. So now let's come in, since we're connected, and I'm going to say, in FullCap, how many locations do I have? Okay, so this is going to use the MCP server, and you should see it connect here in a second, that it's going to try and use those tools. So it's going to think. So it found tools. And then now you can see the FullCap icon. It's listing the locations, and then it should come and it says you have 7 locations, and it lists out all the locations. Now we can ask questions. How many appointments do I have branch today? And what is my capacity? Okay, so now it's going to use the MCP server again. It's going to go out and it's going to query for Highlands Ranch specifically. And let's see what the data looks like today. So it's listing the appointments. Now it's looking at the shop capacity. Okay, so now you can see that Highlands Ranch today has 31 appointments, and we're 97.4% booked. We only have 3 employees working right now, and so they're all basically fully booked for today. So this is really cool. So now you can pair this with things like schedules. If you wanted to schedule a daily brief, you could just tell Claude, I'd like a daily brief on my appointments for the day. This becomes really powerful as you can connect this MCP server. You can do the same thing in ChatGPT or other AI tools that you want to use. But this is a really powerful way to connect an AI agent to your FullCap business profile.